Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in this do-it-yourself video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the engine air filter. And this is on a 2004 Ford Mustang. But the compatible vehicles are 1999 to 2004 Ford Mustang V6 engines. So this is where the engine air filter is located. And the first step that you do is you unplug the negative cable on the battery, because you will be unplugging electrical cables, and that's always recommended. So that's going to be the first step. Okay, and once you disconnect the battery, there are tabs here that you just lift up and remove, and you can see the other one down there. And then you disconnect this cable here just to get this out of the way. Okay, and after you disconnected the cable, you're going to be removing this portion here just to get it out of the way. And it just has a, what is it, Phillips head screwdriver, flathead or whatever. And that's on both, and that's just to make it easier to get access to this here. Okay, and once you remove this portion here, you see how I removed it from there already? You detach this portion here as well to get it out of the way, and that gives you clear access to the air filter here, which basically just slides out, and you would slide the new one back in to replace. It's very dirty. Okay, so this is the new air filter, and this one in particular is the Purolator, and that's the model number. And this is for the V6 Mustangs. And then you can compare it, and you see it's the identical. And when you put it in, let's see if I can do this with one hand. You just slide it in this way until it's flush. I don't know if you can see here, all throughout. Let me get the other thing. Okay, and the way you put this part back, I don't know if you can see, there's a notch here, and that coincides with this notch in here. So that's how it would go in. I really wish I had another helper, but I'm going to show you how it's done, but I need my two hands. Okay, so basically what I did is, like I said, I put the notch in first, and then it's on here already, and then you just attach the two tabs that I took off previously. Okay, and then after attaching this, you're going to continue on to this one, and you do this side first. You put it on, and then after it's on, and then you put this other side on next, and then you tighten. I took this one off, but I have it here on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on first, and then do the next. Okay, so I put it back on. I just got to tighten it up on both sides. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I got this side done. Let me see if I can just do this one with one hand just to show you. But it's very simple. All you have to do is make sure these notches here match up. Because I took this one off, I just had to make sure they match up with the notches here on the plastic or rubber thing. And then you just tighten it. So let me go ahead and do that, but just show you how it goes. But it's very simple, and I'm going to use two hands, and then I'll show you the next steps. Okay, so everything is back, and I didn't disconnect anything aside from, taking this thing off and then this thing off. And then this cable, you just go ahead and plug it back, and there's only one way it can go back, if you can see here, and it should hear a snap. Let me go ahead and Okay, I got it on there already. It's just a small little click that you can hear, and that's just a tab basically going back in place. And then the last step is just connect your negative battery cable, and then you're good to go. Okay, so the battery cable is back on, and that's basically how you replace the air filter. So hope you enjoyed my video, find it informative and helpful. Go ahead and leave comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thank you.